Hi there, students. To yearn, a verb, a yearning, a noun. Okay, if you yearn for something, you really strongly want to have it, particularly something that you can't have or something that's really difficult to get. So, yeah, when I'm at work, I yearn for the weekend. Yeah. Okay. You yearn for something. You have an intense desire to have it. Yeah. Or particularly, I yearn to be back at home, particularly something you've been separated from. His wife was away on work, and the trip was going to take 2 weeks, and he yearned for her the whole time she was away. So to wish for something, particularly in a rather sad and wistful way. Yeah. He yearns to be promoted to the head of department. Okay, he feels a yearning for this. So if you yearn for something, notice to yearn for, you want it something very much, very often something that you're not likely to get. So the slaves yearn to be free. He yearned to be a pop star. Yeah, to long for something, to desire it very strongly. He felt a yearning to be young again, something impossible. Yeah, to have an intense desire for something, to really want it very strongly. Notice, I think this word sounds rather literary and a little bit old-fashioned. I think I'm going to give it a 6.5 in formality. Just about use it in a semi-formal conversation. I think in a semi-formal writing, or particularly something poetic or descriptive or something like that, it would fit very well indeed. Okay, so he yearned for a better life. He yearned to not to have to work in this way. So to have a strong and often sad, a bit melancholic desire for something, very often something you can't have as well. You can also use this word to yearn, but it's not very common, meaning to feel sympathy for someone or to feel pity for someone. So she yearned over what had happened to the beautiful things that had been broken. She yearned over the child's fate. I think that's probably a better example. But to yearn for something, to long for it, to hanker after it, to pine for it. Yeah. I think this yearn adds strength. It stresses how much you want it, how strong that desire is. So he's yearning to begin a new life. It's got this wholehearted desire for something. Yeah, you feel sad because you don't have it. So yeah, to long for, to desire, to crave, yeah, to itch for, to languish because you don't have it, yeah, to have a yen for. So what's it on the Statue of Liberty? Yearning to be free, desiring to be free, something that you really want. An immigrant yearning for their native land. Yeah, a yearning for freedom, yearning to be able to do the things that are no longer possible. Yes, the people had a yearning for an end to war. Yeah, he yearned for things that really weren't going to happen. Okay, so as I said, formality probably 6.5. I think this word's rather literary as well. Let's see, it comes from a Proto-West Germanic word, Jimmy Jam, meaning to be eager for, to desire, which itself comes from Proto-Indo-European, ger, to yearn for, to desire. Okay, so what do you yearn for? What would you really like to have if this was an ideal world? Yeah, maybe you yearn to speak perfect English. Well, you probably will if you keep it up because you've come a long way. But it's a very difficult thing to get, and that's why yearn's a good verb for it. Notice as well, yearn is a regular verb. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To yearn for something.